Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Gemini 1076 error. In order to fix Gemini 1076 error, what you need to do is you need to open a new chat. You need to simply start a new chat instead of continuing the current conversation here. You can click onto this new chat here. And after that, it will automatically turn into new chat. And this often resolves issues caused by a corrupted or overloaded chat session. Or you can also refresh the page or completely close and reopen the Gemini app. So over here, you can simply refresh the Google Gemini. Or if it does not work, you can open a new tab and type down Gemini and enter it and click onto this Google Gemini as well. So you can also try incognito or private mode over here. You can simply click onto this temporary chat. And you are also required to disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or VPNs if you have turned on and you need to test again. And that is it. This is how you can fix Gemini 1076 error. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.